107.5 Blacksmith, what's up? It's Debonair. Yeah. Don't call me a Freemason, boy, I'm a free agent. Fly paper, the news, 107.5 the station. And I told Yogi, you know he got an arrangement. Faith said kill him, don't worry about the arraignment. Big man Kanata already gave me the say so. City might kill me for hitting one of his angels. I told Nia, Noel, and Misty, I'm Michael Jordan, these other rappers is Doug Christie. Welcome to Freestyle Friday. Figured I'd come kill it for old time's sake.
What up? It's the big man Kanata, C-Faye, Big Yogi, Cap City's finest. We're back in the booth. Freestyle Fridays. This is going down. I got my man C10 in the building. What's good, man?
What's up with you, Kanata? How y'all doing today?
Good, man. We was just rapping a little bit. Last night, you was at the Clash of the Titans with all the producers from all over getting together, right?
Yeah, man. It was crazy. Crazy.
All right. Who took the unknown category?
I think it was a dude named Donovan Beats. Am I right on that?
Donovan Beats.
Yeah.
And, you know, in the super producer category, who took that one, in your opinion?
I gotta give it to B-Banger.
B-Banger?
Shout out to B-Banger. Shout out to AU and Sinatra. They still did their thing.
So they all did their thing, but B-Banger took it, right?
Yeah, B-Banger, man.
He was crazy?
Yeah, crazy.
All right, man. We in the booth. We chopping it up a little bit. Tell me a little bit about C10.
You know, Columbus, Ohio, representing Omni Breed. Here doing my solo thing right now. Got a mixtape coming out, couple videos. Be sure to check out the YouTube. You know what I mean? Go to YouTube, check the channel, The Real C10. We out here doing it, man.
How long you been doing music, man?
We've been doing music for about 10 years now, 10 years straight. But we've been doing the solo thing. We separating from the group, but it's still Omni Breed always, every day. But we're all doing the C10 push for about 2 years now.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
I see you, man. I see you. Now you're in the booth. You know what that means, right?
Oh, yeah, I know what it means.
We want to see what C10's all about. We're going to have our own Clash of the Titans.
Okay.
I'm going to drop a beat, and I want to see what you can do with it, all right?
Yep.
Okay.
Listen.
You tryna take down my team, homie, why try? No, I stay well connected everywhere I go, call me Wi-Fi. You better than me, you a damn lie. I'm a giant in the rap game, in the 10, you just knee high, so need I say more? I can change the mind of anybody that is unsure. C10 has done more than your average rapper, cause I'm really not an actor. In the verses that I spit and make them want more. Encore, really I ain't cocky, nah I am a little bit. Couldn't touch me even if conjoined by the hip. My balls are postal, your balls are local. You think I have a diaper on the way I be on my ish? I get a kick out of rappers that are counterfeit. Couldn't scramble eggs, now you're cooking so irrelevant. F your mixtape, I ain't buying if you're selling it. You can keep lying, and I'ma play the elephant.
Okay.
Right here, man. C10.
C10, Cap City's finest.
I think he's radio ready. What do you say?
Man, yeah, shout out to Radio 1, Power 107, the whole 9. I am radio ready. Be sure to check out the page, vote for me. We got the video up there, and I hope y'all like what you hear, man. We appreciate the opportunity.
For sure.
doubt, man.
Any shout outs, bro?
Oh, no doubt. Shout outs to Omni Breed, www.omnibreed.com, my OMG fam, my man G Coop, my brother Motsy Mots. We here, man.
In the building, we in the building.
Always. Shout
So
out
you
to
gotta
Yogi, Fly Paper, no doubt.
For sure.
It's
All
going
right.
down. We back in the booth, baby. We making babies in here, man. We creating kids.
All right.
Freestyle Friday is going on. The big man cannot see fade.
Yeah.
Big Yogi. It's going down by ColumbusPower.com.
And tomorrow as well.